First, I use this little Bluetooth projector that projects images from my phone, and I projected an outline of a seahorse onto my canvas. I then traced the front half of the seahorse onto the canvas, because the back half is where the swiping will occur. Then I put down my base layer of white all around the pencil outline, but not covering the pencil outline. Then I start laying down the colors for the seahorse along the inside of the outline. I use navy first so the front edge will stand out. Then I use a phthalo royal blue mix kind of color. Then I use a custom pearl metallic turquoise, which creates really nice cells and lacing. Then I use a sky blue color. And then I use a metallic leaf green. Then I use my white cell activator, which is just a particular ratio of my base white, Floetrol, and water, but no silicone. I put that all along the back of the colors so I can swipe through them. I use small strips of paper towels to drag through the colors just to have more divisions or stripes of color. It kind of mimics the ridges on the seahorse. Dragging the colors almost out to the edge of the canvas and having the colors disperse and fade gives the seahorse kind of a motion type feel that's very whimsical. I'm going in and adding some details, like adding some head wisps, cleaning up edges and stuff. Also reducing some of the front edge, the navy blue edge, which kind of spread too much, and other various little things. In subsequent seahorse paintings, I actually taped off the front edge because it tends to spread and get too large and it doesn't have as much definition. The final painting, after adding in some more details, painting in the eye, adding some polka dot bubbles in the white area, and adding several coats of epoxy. Hope you enjoyed watching.